Well, hello guys, and welcome to another video on Dragon Clone. I didn't really have a name for it, and so I just called it Dragon Clone, and maybe I'll change the name if I come up with a better one. So, if you guys enjoy, then you can hit the like button and subscribe if you think it's interesting. But if you don't really like it, then you don't have to dislike it, you just don't have to click on the video. So, this is my first video, well, second. The first one didn't really work out too well, because I didn't talk very much. So, I'm just gonna try and beat my high score. So, yeah. If I'm really quiet a lot, then I'm just probably camera shy and trying to concentrate, so I won't be talking a whole lot in the videos. So, and if you haven't already seen Dragon Slayer, if you haven't already seen his YouTube account, go check it out. And I think it's not really interesting, but I think it's kind of fun to watch my cousin be a YouTuber. It's kind of funny. But yeah, I'm gonna go another round, so here we go. So, I don't know if you're really interested, and if you subscribe, say in the comment section that, hey, I subscribed. Just let me know so I know you subscribe. And I can show my cousin that I got a YouTube channel now. And then every time I spend the night at his house, I'll be able to, I'll be able to play and be able to make YouTube videos with him. Well, this is going to be the end of this video, so hope you enjoyed, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed.